Alright, just making a quick video of the second battery install. This is the new setup. Got the 2 axes, and my second battery is in here. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it's inside there. You can see the 0 wire right there, but that's where the second battery is. It's pretty well hidden. Can't really fucking even tell it was there unless I told you. It's kind of the good part about it, I guess. Alright, now let's check out the amp part of it. Alright. Fucking car is so damn small. Put the fucking seat up. Alright, here's what's powering this baby. It's a Alpine m-2000. She hits pretty fucking hard. Got my 0 Zen, 0 power and ground. Speakers wired into 1 ohm, supposedly. Still got to do a little bit of touching up, obviously, since I fucking didn't finish this till midnight last night, but everything seems to be functioning like it should. Everything seems to fucking pound unbelievably. Alright, let's fucking pop the hood. You have to excuse the rigged up HID wire. I just haven't had I didn't have time to extend the harness last night, so excuse the ignorance of the electrical tape. But the basically, here's my power wire. It's running to a Raptor 250. Then it runs down into the firewall. Monster negative, same thing. It's running down. Both the wires run right up through here. I don't know if you can see them. 1 second. Fucking you quit texting me. There's where they come through the firewall. They run down through here. They're running right underneath. Running right underneath the carpet here. You can feel them. Feel like fucking rope. But that continues running up through here, underneath the seat, up under the seat. Then you can see back here, that's where the negative and the power go into my little enclosure back there. Then I have these two wired to the positive and the negative of the battery in the trunk. And that in a nutshell is the little system. I mean, she hits pretty hard. I know right now it's a little bit messy, but like I said, I finished this at midnight last night, so I was pretty fucking tight after a 5-hour install. So I'll have to clean it up and make a better video of it. But as of right now, I mean, she hits good. Just need to work on the tuning a little bit. Maybe turn down my signal output just a tad going to the amp, because the amp almost has 0 adjustment through the gain because the fucking signal is turned up so fucking high. But I guess I could fucking give her a quick little go here. Since I'm using my cell phone to record this, I won't be able to use my iPod, so let's play a CD or something that'll work out. This is the Carter 3, so if you don't like Lil Wayne, that's too fucking bad. Better start it. Fucker draws quite a bit of power. Let's see. A classic. Yeah, money. Yeah, dude, she fucking hits unbelievably now. It's almost sad. This is the funny part, though. Yeah, dude, she fucking hits just a little bit on the ridiculous side. Watch the spoiler. Yeah, dude, she pounds just a tad.
Here, a million there, Sicilian bitch with long hair, with coconut every year, like smoking. He's the dog, he's the motherfucking problem. Okay, you're a goon, but what's a goon to a goblin? Comment on my sidekick, never answer when it's private. Damn, I hate a shy bitch.
Sorry, it's making the CD skip. But as you notice when the bass hits, the lights do not dim, which is also a very nice non-nigger addition to this. Very good. Seems to be functioning quite well. Good stuff, man. Can't wait to actually drive it. I haven't even driven the fucking car yet.